Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I know that we're all in our little building our house era, getting into the bag, taking some money out of our bags and doing what we're supposed to do. So I'm here to make things easy for you guys. So I'm here to put you on to some of the stuff that I used when I was making my house, and I know that these stuffs are going to be important to you too. Mind you, my prices might be different from your price, but I went through my receipts, and the last time when I bought my stuff, it was the 20th of February 2025. So sometimes something might go on or sometimes something might come off. Most of the times these stay at the same rate, them don't move. I'm going to jump straight into the video. So for the plumbing items for the bathroom, these are important stuff that I know your plumber is going to tell you to get. So for the 90-inch elbow, 1.5 inch, it's $160. For 1.5 inch 45 degrees elbow, it's for $288.65. Pressure T, 1.5 inch, $250. Wastewater pipe, 3 inch, $2,854.60. 3-inch T, $717. For the 90 degrees elbow, $810.26. 4-inch pipe, $1,833.90. Let's jump right over to the electrical part of the work. These are costs for all the stuffs that you will be using when you're doing your electrical part. Mind you, my prices might be different from yours, so you can shop around to see. I live in the country, I live in St. Elizabeth. Maybe I'll get my stuff cheaper than you guys who are in Kingston areas or in other town areas. Our prices might be a little different, so shop around, but I'm sure these are stuff that you're going to need for your house. For the 20 mm 3/4 10 feet is $288.60. Coupling 20 mm 3/4 is $12.35. Conduits 25 mm 10 feet, $387.60. Coupling 25 mm 1 feet, 25 mm 1 is $30.60. Coupling 32 mm 1.25 is $50.80. Conduits 1.25 is conduits 1.25 10 feet is $536. Let's go over to electrical wires. For electrical wires, 2.5 mm, which is the roll of red, which is one of the strongest wire. Having the red, it doesn't have to be red, but 2.5 mm is one of the strongest electrical wires that you use. This run anything most of the times in your house. It make your current stronger. The roll is for $6,920. 1.5 mm roll is $7,504. 16 mm electrical wire cable, the roll is for $65,600, and this is, I think this is the heavy duty one that runs from where the meter is outside to the breaker. I'm not sure, but it's for $65,600. Check around, guys. You might get some of these prices more affordable than what I am telling you about. These are prices that I had used, and they might differ from yours. For my electrical work in my house, I bought 10 mm wire. Instead of the 16, I bought 10 mm, and I paid, it was a quantity of 37, so I don't know if it's 37 feet, that's what I saw, and I paid $12,234. So let's jump right into the breaker. So for the breaker, these are a little bit affordable. They're not that pricey. For the 20 amps single pole, we paid $719.10. For the 15 amps single pole, $719.10. For the 40 amps single pole, I paid $1,177.25. For the 20 amps double pole, I paid $3,260. For the 40 amps double pole, $3,200. For the 70 amps double pole, I paid $4,230. For the 30 amps double pole, I paid $3,130. So guys, I went on the road yesterday, so I had to stop when I was recording, so I didn't get to get all of the information out to you. Not going to make this part long because it's just a continuation. Guys, we're going to start on the breaker. So for me personally, in my house, I have a 12-way breaker panel. Guys, I don't understand nothing about electrical work. I don't understand because I see that you can have single breaker panel and breaker panel. I don't know the difference. So in my house, we have the 12-way breaker panel, and that was for $6,975.10. So with some other information that I got for myself personally, you have a 12-way breaker panel. So when you go to the hardware, they might ask you these two things. Do you sure you want a single way, or do you sure you want a breaker panel? Because I got those questions too. So for the 12-way breaker panel, it was for $14,644.72. They have a 16-way breaker panel, and that is for $10,896.84. Guys, I have no idea about the breaker panels. I guess if I have this single one, if me I go up in one big old plaza, one big business, I might have to have a lot of breaker panels. I don't know, because at the shop I have two separate breakers. I have one that runs just the poker box, and I have one that's for the light and the fridge. So let's continue. So in the house, I remember I told you that I have a USB socket. So that one is a 20 amp with USB, and I paid $3,773.15. And all in mind, guys, me swear, see, I did $5,000 for it, you know. I swear it was way expensive than that, because if I had known that it was not 5,000 something, me never did a pre the receipt. But I put two of them in my house, but I have one beside my bed and one over here. So I made an error with that. I'm not sure if in the future, I don't know if you can change out. I have no idea. So I have a 3-way decora switch, which is the White Eagle brand, and that's the one that's right there. The 3-way one is right there. This one runs the 2 lights in the room and 1 outside, and that one is $595 each, and I only got one. So I have SP decora switch. I don't know what that's for, and that was for $402.05. Shrouded receptacle, that is for $154.70. and I have the swivel socket receptacle, and that one is for $221.85. I think one of them is for outdoors. One of them, I think it's supposed to be for outdoor. And the one where if water even wet it, it can damage. The silver ones that they normally use outside, where it's flexible, I think you can rotate that one. Don't quote me on that. I am not an electrician, me just a talk. So these are some of the stuffs that I bought at my hardware here, and I think we have the more modern sockets these days to plug in stuffs in. So if you say every house we have one like a USB outlets, yes, just in case, because most of the time you have a USB card and not a plug. So I think every house should have one of that. And use the sockets that I use is pretty good, because the plugs don't easy to fall out. them stiff. So that's what I left off. So for the breaker panels, guys, no electrician will tell you which one works. I have a small house, but what the electrician does is, leave out the spots for when I put on the other part of the house. Them just connect back everything together and it fall in place. Them know if you do it, we not understand it. So that's where I left off. So let's continue the video, guys. That was the most important stuff that I think that you should know. I do not put like the breaker covers or the sockets that are supposed to go. I did not put those prices because some of them kind of reasonable, except for the one that I had purchased where you can plug your USB card in. I paid $5,000 something for that one. So guys, it is not a lengthy video, but I went above and beyond because in one of the vlogs I saw where persons were saying, do like stuff that you're gonna use for your bathroom, do like electrical stuff, go to hardware and do stuff. So I tried my best to give you guys the important part. So guys, take your little time with whatever you're doing. It doesn't have to go one time. You can start. The most important part is say you get your electrical work done, you get your plumbing work done. You see, even if the pipe them running on your wall and the socket them you not get to buy the socket them, or you not get to get by the plug-in part them. Ensure that the wires are there. Time to come when you can afford to buy your wires, or no buy them when you can't afford to put in enough sockets, or no put in them for the plumbing part. Make sure the pipe them did it, everything did it. When you're not ready and can't afford to buy no fancy little stuff them for putting on a bathroom. Most important part, when you can have the toilet, when you can defecate, and have something when you can wash your hand with. If I even use bath pan for the meantime, just ensure, just take on a little time. But these are most important, because with these, them if you're not going to do a deck ceiling or a concrete ceiling, them have to put in first in the ceiling. You bore the hole and all of that and pipe up the top. You have to lick out the wall and pipe it up, then you cover back up the pipe them. So that's how it's done. Mind you, back then we know that the house them never did really used to do so. If you not get to do it, so at the end of the day, you can run the wire them on the wall visibly. But modern time now, nobody really wants to know wire and something at their house. So but do it how you can afford to do it. Now put in a basket higher than where you can reach, and because Miss Jen next door do it, you feel like you can do it, and because your friend move faster than you feel like you have to do things out of your means or out of your ways to get it done. Just take on a little time. Slow progress is better than no progress at all. Simple as that. If you're not start yet, just put it in your head that one day you're going to start. So guys, we have come to the end of this video, and I'm going to keep on continue doing contents like this for you. So if there's anything that you need information with, I'm going to put it in my head to do some faucets for bathroom for you guys, some different type of fancy faucets. For me just feel like buying them online is way cheaper. What you can do if you're going to buy them online and ship them here to courier, there are two options. You have the one where you come on the flights, and you have the one where you go a freight. So if freight I want to come on ship, alright, what you can do there, you get two. When you sign up for courier, you get one address, but you can get two code. If I see you want to come, you put in that. So for instance, you are buy one big unit, let it come via sea, because the courier is not going to do it for you. The courier not going to do it for you. You see, if it's a big ass TV and you never put sea on it, they might just put it on the plane and charge you a whole heap of pounds, which in the sea it comes less. So if you're not gonna buy a couple stuff online, I'm not gonna need them within 1 month time, buy them reach here by actually 2 weeks if you're going to put them by the sea. So Me personally, me just feel like it work out cheap on me buy them online, so it's up to you. But guys, I'll be going out to do contents for you. No, don't worry, everything you want to ask me to do, me I go do it. So for my persons overseas, please do not be disappointed in me, but just can't get to reach at the present moment because I don't have a level vehicle. I don't have a vehicle to move right now. So guys, I have given you all the information about your plumbing and your electrical stuff that you will be needing. My information can be different from yours. Do no research, check other hardware. Bye guys.